Hey, Ryan here, and today we're talking about the GT37 Screamo Retrofit Turbo Kits from BD Diesel. In your shop, you'll have seen the problematic small GT32 single-sided turbocharger come stock in the 11 to 14 Ford pickup trucks. I'm here to show you our solution. One great thing about our retrofit kits is whether you're ordering online or using our business-to-business interface, it's a single line item. What I mean by that is you add to cart, you get this. The retrofit kit offered by others, you have to buy everything. You have to rebuy the downpipe, the pedestal, brand new turbo, intake manifold, a bunch of where, you can go through all the parts lists. We've simplified that for you. The BD retrofit kit turbos drops right in, appears stock, includes everything needed for a one-stop install. It's a much quicker, cleaner, easier install. Although if you do have any questions, our tech is available from 6:30 in the morning till 5 p.m. at night, Pacific Standard Time. Feel free to give us a call. The increased size of the turbo and compressor wheels allow the truck to perform much better than stock. The Stage 1 is designed for those looking for about 500 horsepower, whereas the Stage 2 is designed up to about 650 horsepower. Both stages offer unrivaled turbo response and top-end power. With that much power readily available, so is inventory. With national distribution, our product is located throughout the country to minimize the time it takes to get to your doorstep. We developed this kit with you in mind. We created our own custom cast turbine housing, backing plate, compressor cover, and believe it or not, our very own pedestal. We offer a complete, no extra parts needed solution. The BD retrofit kit drops right in, appears stock, includes everything needed for a one-stop install. These turbos utilize the later model 2017 Plus turbo that we've then put in the exact same location. You can reuse your current downpipe, intake, everything else. Better yet, the retrofit kit still works with aftermarket BBB exhaust brakes, giving you a complete package for your 11 to 14 truck. Experience our world-famous Screamo turbos backed by a 12-month warranty. Find out more, check us out online, bddiesel.com.